Hey guys, this is Thomas from Crafted Spaces, and today I want to show you your own personal brand website. It's a little thing I created for you to have the option to create a personal brand website with Notion, and let's dive right in, show you how it works. So first of all, at the top, very simple, you put your name, you put what you do, a picture of yourself, and a small text to introduce everyone to your website when they reach this landing page. I've included a few features from Notion. One of them is the button feature, and behind this one there's a link. When you click it, you just go to another page on your website. This is the About Me page, some text, some pictures, stuff that you can refer to, if you have been featured, if you've done any interviews, if you've written any articles, just some quick links here and there, and then potentially some headshots if people need pictures of you. All the way at the bottom of each page you will find the copyright icon and potentially some contact information. If we go back to the main page, there's a few other things on there, but again you can fully customize this the way you want. First of all, connection on social media, again some contact details, and then there's a few things. How I work, your methodology, you can include some key one-liners about how you work, how you do your stuff, maybe a video to explain your process. Then the option to include some kind of portfolio, pictures, videos, films, anything you want to add in here. And of course, because it's a gallery, because it's a database, behind each of the projects you can include a new page with a whole bunch of information if you want. Same thing goes for your skills and services. First of all, I've added another database for your skills. In this case, because it's a page about a videographer, an editor, we've included distribution, post-production, pre-production, production, and the skills that go with it. They've been color-coded. Again, you can decide how you want this page to look. I've done color columns. You can switch that toggle off. It looks a bit less flashy. By the way, this video has been made in dark mode. If you want to switch between dark and light mode, with Ctrl-Shift-L, you can just quickly switch between light and dark. The skills are in here in a table or in a database, a little bit of text on the services, the different production, post-production and delivery services, a little picture here, and then at the bottom a quote, one of the clients for example, or some kind of reference, referral, recommendation, however you want to call it, a call to action, to contact, to reach out. In this case, not details, but again, a button that brings you to another page, which is a form. And here, this is a public form. By clicking change, you can make sure that anyone who has this link can use it. Always make sure it's public, or else people who don't have Notion can't use this. And then in this contact form, you can add a whole bunch of questions, one of them being name, email, type of project that you have in mind, or other remarks. But again, with the plus, you can add a whole bunch of different questions. If we go back, one other thing I've included all the way at the bottom is an FAQ, just a simple toggle where you can add a whole bunch of questions and answers for the persons who visit your landing page to get some information. Again, all the way at the bottom we have the trademark, the contact information, and here, because we need to have them somewhere in this environment, we also have the two pages About Me and the contact form. A few things you can do with these landing pages is all the way at the top you could go to site settings and go to site customization, and one thing you will see here is that here at the header site where it's custom, you can add some navigation. So I've added two pages, the About Me page and the contact form page, and you will see them here at the top. So you can actually remove those, they disappear, or add them. Any kind of page from your website can be added here. So in this case, we could potentially also add the different projects or the different skills from one of the databases. I've removed the share button and I've removed the duplicate button. I've kept the search button. This allows people to search for specific keywords on your website and immediately go to the right space. If you click Publish Changes, everything gets saved, and that's pretty much how you can build your own brand website.